Hi everyone, welcome to the hashtag Passion for Purple open collaboration hosted by Kim, who is MetalScrappinChick here on YouTube. And I try to participate when I can. And this month I'm trying to participate on both channels, this one and my Dahlia Designs channel. So check that one out too. So this is what I made, and I will walk through everything I did. This is a 5x7 card. For those of you who like cards, I used the Park Lane Cards and Envelopes A7 size, but I also used one of the flat cards, not envelopes, from Recollections as a card front because I wasn't sure what I was doing initially. And I also used Fresh Freesia cardstock from Stampin' Up. It had been in color, but now it's in their main color families or something. This is retired paper, Hues of Happiness, but it had all these purple flowers. Some of them cut out with the dies that go with it, and some don't. And so the dies and stamp that went with it is Happiness Abounds. This is retired. It retired last May. And here are the dies. I did use this at the top of this little piece of purple. And I used some of the dies for the flowers. And I used Wishing You, nope, You Are Wonderful in Every Way. And I did use the rectangular postage stamp by Stampin' Up, which is also retired now because they have postage stamp dies. One sec, everything's falling over here. I used Dollar Tree purple Gemmies, and I used Altenews organic linen 3D embossing folder. But what started it all was this. When I got a bunch of Dollar Tree stuff out for my purple junk journal, which I haven't done yet, I had to remove these from that 16 items though, because I had too many items. I had two fabric tapes actually, this one and another one. I don't know what I did with. But the other one wasn't the right colors. I wanted this deep purple for Passion for Purple. The other one was a floral, but it conflicted with the paper. And this morning I was digging through I have a couple bins of like loose ribbon and stuff, and this was in it. This was from Paper Studio, which is Hobby Lobby. I don't know when I bought it. It says pink/purple small rosette. Don't know if they still have such stuff, but it says 2013, but I didn't start crafting in earnest until 2017. Jewelry, yes, but not other stuff. So I'm sure it was like 2017 or 18. I probably bought it. And I used apparently all the pink before. Let me sit this stuff down because it's sliding. Okay. And then this is the paper from the Happiness Abounds. This, I cut, it's like 3.5 by 4.5, and I meant to have it over just about a 1/4 inch more, but it's okay. I glued well, I textured that with that organic linen 3D embossing folder. I really like how that turned out. And then you can still see the holes up there because this has like kind of tulle. And these are glued down with Fabri-Tac, which I have now, yay. And some of these I fussy cut, some I could cut with the dies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flowers. I put in a little bit of the teal too, just because the background paper has it. I didn't cut any yellow or red or anything out. And it helped break it up a little bit. I stamped this in, oh, and here's the washi that I used over here. I put that down first, and then I put the paper on top, and then this, and then this. And this is stamped in Stampin' Up's gorgeous grape color, and this is bumped up on dimensionals. And these I did tack down with a little bit of art glitter glue as well. Inside I also did the washi, which I used glue on it, by the way, because I wasn't sure it would stay stuck. But if you use the glue, if you don't have it down right, trust me, it doesn't come up easy once you have glue on there. And this is a strip I had cut off the paper because of this side over here. So that's my card for Passion for Purple. And I did put washi across the envelope flap as well. And I hope you like it. Please let me know down in the comments below. And if you do like this or anything about this video, please kindly give me a thumbs up. I will be back again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.